In this video, we'll discuss the worksheet of topic function. And here we have few questions related to MCQs as well as few short and long questions. Later on, we'll discuss. So our first questions, which is related to MCQs, choose the correct answer if f of x equal 2x plus 2, evaluate f of 4. So we just replace 4 in place of x. That gives us 8 plus 2, which is equal 10. So our first option is correct. And then find the inverse of the given function. And that function is basically f of x equal 3x minus 6. So the rule is to consider or select first a function f of x equal y, which is equal 3x minus 6, and then the second step we shuffle or change the places of x and y, and the third step is to make y subject, which is equal x plus 6, and lastly we make y subjects x plus 6 over 3, and that gives us f inverse x plus 6 over 3. So our last option is the correct. Next is write the formula for the composite. So we'll check next. Third part, write the formula for composite. We know a function is followed by another function is called the composite function. And here we have two functions, f and g of x of the given function. So both are given. We will see which answer is correct. So they are saying that f g of x equal x or minus x or x plus 2. So remember that f g of x means first we will write g of x. What is it? G of x, x plus 5, and then we replace back x plus 5 in the function f, and that function is x. So in place of x, x plus 5 minus 3, that gives me x plus 2. So C option is the correct. And lastly, we have if f of x is equal to x squared plus 3, so we are going to substitute in place of x 7. So that means 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 3 52. So our B option. Next, we move on few questions which is related to short questions as well. Here the first question evaluate f g of 2 of the following functions. So we replace g of 2 first, or if you start f g of 2, this means we are going to replace or substitute 2 in function g first, which gives me 2 plus 3, and it is equal 5. And now replace back 5 in function f, which is equal 5 minus 4, and lastly we have answer 1. And secondly, if we check the same idea in B part, f g of 2, so now our g of 2 function is different, which is 6 into 2 plus 1, and that gives me 12 plus 1 13. And now replace back 13 in the function f, which is 3x, so 3 bracket open 13, that gives me 39. I hope so it is clear. Next one, question number 3. And here we are looking the inverse function. So the first is f of x equal minus 3x plus 9. So I will follow the three main steps of the inverse function. First, we always write f of x is equal y. And then the second step, we change the places of x and y, minus 3y plus 9. And the third step, we try to make y subject. So 3y is equal to 9 minus x, which is equal y is equal to 9 minus x over 3. And lastly, this y shows or represent f inverse x, which is equal 9 minus x over 3. Next, B part, again, we will, the function, if it is in g of x or f of x or h of x, all will be equal to y, okay? This is the first step. And x minus 2 over 4. The second step, we change the places of x and y. So y minus 2 over 4, and then try to make y as subject. So 4x is equal to y minus 2. And then we can say that y is equal to 4x plus 2. So this y represent the inverse function x, which is equal 4x plus 2. Next one is inverse, as well as we have to check inverse at 6. So first of all, we will find out the inverse function of this, which is y is equal to 4x minus 2 over 5 This is the first step. And the second step, we change the places of x and y. In place of x, I will write y over 5. And third step, we will try to make y subject. So 5x is equal to 4y minus 2. And next 4y is equal to 5x plus 2. And this would be equal to 5x plus 2 over 4. And this y represent f inverse x, which is equal 5x plus 2 over 4. And lastly, we will check f inverse 6. It gives us 5 into 6 plus 2 over 4, which is equal 5 6 are 30 plus 2 32 over 4. And we can cancel 32 with the help of 4. So last answer is 8. Next question number 6. It is f of x equal 4x squared plus 3x minus 2, and write in their simplest form. So we just replace f of x here, which is 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. 4 is already there. So only just add the like terms, and we have the like terms only minus 2 and 4. So 4x squared plus 3x plus 2. That's it. And then we check b part as well. Here we have to replace 3x plus 4 in the above function f. And that is basically 4. In place of x, I would say that 3x plus 4 whole squared plus 3 bracket open 3x plus 4 only, and then minus 2. We can expand as well. So for this, if we expand, we can apply two things. Either we can apply formula or write 2 times. So if we apply the formula, that gives us 9x squared plus 16 plus 24. 4 3s are 12. 12 multiplied by 2, 24x. And plus multiply 3 inside with 3 as well as 4. So 9x plus 12 minus 2. And then we can multiply 4 inside. So it is 36x squared. 64. 16 fours are 64. And then 24 multiply by 4. It is equal 96x plus 9x, and 12 minus 2 10. And lastly, we can check the like terms if it is possible. So 36x square, we have 96. 96 plus 9, it is 105x plus 64 plus 10 gives 74.